Then we have potential energy of system of charges. What is potential energy? How to find potential energy? Yesterday we saw how we can find the potential energy. Yes, how we can find potential energy? By with the help of, yes, with the help of work done. With the help of work done, what we can do, we can find potential energy. This work done is stored in the form of potential energy. Now let's dive into this topic, the sixth one, potential energy to the system of charges. Let us consider that we have, due to system of in this case we have first, let us consider that we have an external charge. We have external charge Q. Okay, and here we have electric field. Here we have electric field. We have electric field here. This is our electric field. Okay, this is our electric field. Electric field will be represented by what? It will be represented by, yes, it will be represented by E. Okay, now if we, if we keeps a charge small q in it, what will happen? Due to system of charges, due to system of charges, see, to find potential energy na, due to system of charges, what is the condition? The condition first, in our textbook it is written that condition is your source charge should be very greater than your test charge. Source charge should be greater than test charge, and we know that to find potential energy, what we have to do, we have to find the work done. And what's the formula for work done? Yes, we know the formula for work done. Work done formula in terms of charge, what will the formula for work done? Work done is Q into V. What is Q? Charge. What is V? Yes, potential difference. And what will be potential difference here? I'll say your potential difference V will be equal to what? It will be equal to K Q over R. This will be K Q over R. Or you can say your V, if this electric field, if this electric field is not constant, you will say it will, V will be equal to what? Your V will be equal to integration of EDR minus of EDR. Okay, now minus of EDR. What if we, in place of what if there will be multiple charges? What if there will be multiple charges? Yeah, let's dive into the concept. What if there will be a multiple charges? For multiple charges, I'm just giving you the revision for this. This is a very short topic for multiple charges. For multiple charge, let us consider the same example that we have a source here. We have a source here. and here we have an electric field. Here we have an electric field. In this electric field, we have two charges. We'll name it as charge Q1 and I'll name it as charge Q2. Okay, from source, charge 1 is at a distance of R1 and charge 2 is at distance R2, and the distance between Q1 and Q2, and the distance between this Q1 and Q2, it will be Q1 and Q2, it will be R12. Okay, so what will be the potential energy of the system, the potential energy of this multiple charges? First, because of this, because of this, because of this, the potential energy of system will be equal to, it will be equal to, first, because of this 2 point, your charge will be what? Same, q over r square, sorry, q over r. What is the distance between q1 and q2? Yes, the distance between q1 and q2 is, the distance between q1 and q2 is r12, plus this is the charge q1, this is the charge q2. Because of this, because of and okay, now, okay, charge and for multiple charge we have discussed on it.